Good morning, guys. Okay, anyways, today is Saturday. I think it's Saturday. So anyways, let's start our day. Like, the day is so gloomy. That's all. Okay, now I'm gonna use this cleanser from Minimalist. Hey guys, I am done getting, I'm all freshened up and everything, so I have a little work. I'll complete that, I'll finish that, and then I'll get back to it. So wait, first okay, so today is 5th of July. I'm just gonna check. I always check my calendar like every day, because can you see my calendar? It's not like much like, oh my god, I'm very busy. Currently I'm not. Anyway, so you can see right left right left right left. So this is like my habit. It has become my habit. So I have this window. Okay, I have this window. It's a sliding window, so both sides of the window cannot be opened at the same time. Okay, so I have to open one side of the window for a day. Okay, I don't know how to explain this. Okay, how do I say it? My mind will not let only one side of the window to be open. You know what I mean? My mind cannot let only the right side of the window be open every day, and my mind cannot let the left side of the window be open every day. I don't know if you guys are getting me, but the ones who get it. So what did I do? So one time, it was not needed for me to oh my god, it was not needed for me to write right left, but one time I forgot which side of the window I had opened the previous day, and after that I went crazy. Like, I could not figure out which side of the window I had opened. And then finally, thank god, I figured it out. And then I was like, no, I cannot let that happen again. So I was like, right left. I have labeled each day of the months. You can see the previous months as well. This is May, this is June. Other months also has the same thing. So yeah, I mean, it might seem a little crazy and a little cuckoo in the head, but okay, I don't have any what do you say, justification for that. Alright, so yeah, that's there. And wait, today is July. Oh, and also I had this doctor's appointment, and I had to do this allergy test because I'm allergic to things, right? So that test shows what you're exactly allergic to, guys. So the reports, like, they came in, and then I again went to the doctor, to show the reports and all, and to get the report of course. I am allergic to bananas, pumpkin, papaya, peanuts, cow milk, so, and it means any other dairy product. And there was dogs. I have a pet dog. Dogs, cockroaches, fish. Okay, cockroaches. Let's talk about that. Cockroaches. You know what cockroaches am I allergic to? American cockroaches. Guys, does that even... Anyways, immigrants honge, so let's not get too deep into that. So yeah, and I'm allergic to those things. And oh, I forgot, egg yolk. I love egg yolk, but now I'm not supposed to have it. And also I'm not supposed to eat dairy products, right? So but I have been eating cheese, I've been eating paneer, I've been like consuming cream, and also ice cream. Last time I ate ice cream, like vanilla ice cream, and I thought it was not that serious. My stomach started paining. I'm lactose intolerant, which was one of my nightmares, to be lactose intolerant. And here, yeah. Yeah. एंड ऑल्सो मेरा टैप का कवर इतना गंदा हो गया है, लिटरली इतना गंदा हो गया, आई एम इवन एम्बेरस्ड टू शो. बाहर में जाए एम्बेरसमेंट, और देखो. एनीवेज, या बाय, आई विल मीट यू गाइज लेटर. ड्रेस फर खोला 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 मेरो घरै लगाइन्छ, मैले त नलगाएको. यो के भयो भने त too sunny. It's okay. The day is very clear. अब ये झन्डै लडे म. नेटै चल्दैन त्यसै म.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.